Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this tortilla pizza. Hey guys, today we are making a tortilla pizza. It is so simple. It's going to be your go-to easy lunch or dinner. Your kids are going to love it. It only requires really only 3 ingredients and whatever toppings you like. So we're going to start with a large tortilla, and I like to use a keto-friendly wrap tortilla. And then I've got some sugar-free pizza sauce. You can use whatever pizza sauce you want. This is Rao's. This is 1/4 cup. I'm gonna spread it on the tortilla. You wanna leave about 1/2 inch around the edge. Then I've got 1/2 cup of cheese. This is mozzarella, but of course, you can use whatever cheese you want. And you can use as much as you want. But I just put 1/2 cup, which is 2 servings of cheese. And you could also sprinkle some Italian seasoning on here. And then now you can put whatever toppings you want, but I would keep it minimal just because we've got to transfer this to the oven rack. And if you put too many toppings on there, it's going to be heavy and they're just going to cause the tortilla to possibly fall through the rack. Or then when you go to pick it up, all of the toppings are just gonna go into the center. So I'm going to put these mini pepperonis on here, but you could use big pepperonis, whatever you like. So now you're going to very carefully transfer this to the oven, preheated to 425 degrees. You just want to put it right onto the oven rack. Just like this. Be very careful so you don't burn your fingers. I just like to just plop it onto the rack like that. But anyway, we're gonna put this in the oven for about 5 minutes until the tortilla gets nice and crispy. Okay, we pulled our tortilla pizza out of the oven. It took exactly 5 minutes, and you can see the outside is really nice and brown and crispy. So I'm gonna cut it with a pizza cutter. And look at that. Perfect little piece of pizza. Perfect for your kids or just a quick snack or a lunch. Tastes like pizza. You guys are gonna love this recipe, so be sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.